Hapari sedang gayaki ke JSU dari langi kena wampuyo thau pure kelas 11. Beberapa man halat kiang nong bak Government College ne liang udisi ke West Jaiñtia Hills AK Sing ne penting ua liang ke sorkar dalek ke Cibon. Ang wane daw ku bhagu pas ya ke SSLC hau newsnem da cham chuta mo e thau pure ya wara. Nongkong do ong i daw to ke bon ke wan na ki chnong majngai de kwa ba ki ulai pure hajwai. Klem da pech pa chak skor em ta jan chnong ki wele da em thau let ye ke wan ta jwai ne ba kamo man ka ter bon bha ke wan ta jwai klem da lai tho chwa chak skor em ta jan ki da bentip ule wa sarkar chim khya ga ini kam ne pungku kerdan ya skor chak higher secondary wede em le skor wada sedang ni stream with me day lang ki morning shift wat ha skor ki brusa men la de ini no munaw ya nong talang government school go wada pungku kerdan chak higher secondary school go em san paudli ki sit ne meta ka arts wale paudli ne meta ka science stream da em le paudli ki skor ki brusa men ki wada pungku kerdan chak higher secondary ne do ki em hami mtu daw ki wa ajar changpung wa ki bide ki thau de bentip le wadu ha WC Springside Higher Secondary School jwai da sedang go morning shift ne benta ka arts stream dai wa em spa da ligi sit a government boys higher secondary school wa sokha government higher secondary school da sedang le commerce stream wa Saint Dominic Higher Secondary School mo kandeng wa Saint Mary Maxwell Girls Higher School jwai da sedang ka science stream de ba khain lang waro ki sit wa mi thame ne benta ka arts science or commerce de po gin ruspa phra phautli da jrong ki borim wa em chwa.
Good afternoon, this is the DC of West Jaiñtia Hills. This is some information which is with regard to the education sector. So as we know, due to government intervention, the passing percentage in the entire state, and particularly in West Jaiñtia Hills, has improved significantly. So we have been receiving few concerns from the students that the students who have passed in and the number of vacancies that are available in the schools is not proportionate. So there are few interventions which have happened at the state level and also at the district level. I just wanted to read them out in order to make everyone aware about what they are. First is the list of government schools in which new streams have been created. There is Government Boys Higher Secondary School Joy, in which capacity of 30 in the commerce stream has been created. There is Sokha Government Higher Secondary School, in which again 30 capacity in commerce stream has been created. There are private schools in which new streams have been created for like St. Dominic Higher Secondary School, St. Mary Mazzello Girls Higher Secondary School, in which around 70 number of intake has been increased. There is also upgraded government higher secondary school, that's Nongtalang Government Higher Secondary School, wherein stream like for arts 50 vacancies, stream for science 30. There are also upgraded the private higher secondary schools, starting from neibynta, then Jowai, then Dauki, then Vaijar, Shangpung, then Jowai. Even evening shifts have been introduced. There are private schools also in which the evening shift have been introduced, the morning shift have been introduced. So why I am sharing this information is for the people to know that yes, these are the few areas or the few schools in which due to government intervention that multiple seats have been created. Also through this medium I want to apprise everyone that the first priority of the student should be to have a look around the vacancies which in the schools which are in the near vicinity of their areas where they are living around. Let's say if they are living in Sokha or in the villages which are far off, they should first search out the vacancies in that place. If at all the vacancies are not in existence, then they should come towards the Jowai, because even currently in Jowai the number of students who have been approaching is multiple, despite not first applying in their native areas, because see, it does save the cost traveling and everything. So this is my appeal to the public that yes, multiple interventions other than that are also being thought about at the state government level, and as and when we receive the information, we'll pass it on. Thank you.